Hi, it appears that I'm having a few problems with my uploads today. When I went back to check them, my mathematics template, my certificate that I made, for whatever reason, it is coming up funny looking on our Blackboard. So I just wanted to show you that this is the template that I made. This is what it's supposed to look like for you to see. You can tell that it's a template because every time you open it, it comes up with a different number. So here's my document 14. If I close it, I open it again, it should come up as 15, document 15. So you can see every time you open it, it gives it like a different name. I've practiced this several times. Just the template part of it, not the screencast, which by the way, I'm using this because it's a tool that I learned last time and I want to keep it fresh. Um, Inside my template, you can just simply type in the box and it will put the student's name in cursive. And then the hours, same thing, however many hours and however many topics they cover, as well as if it's the spring or the fall, and then of the year, because this class is a semester class, and then I like to personally sign them myself. I did not decide to put any color because we have some fancy paper that I can print it on, and they fight over the color printer this time of year. So that is my template that I've designed. I apologize again that that is not appearing the way that it should. And then the same thing with my hyperlinks. They're not working when I upload it, so I wanted to show you that they work. If I click on hyperlink here and I open, this is a portfolio project that we do every year. At the end of the year, we pick and choose some culminating activities. Next year, we would like to use Seesaw and do our portfolio throughout the year. I'm really excited about that. But I'm sure I'll be able to use the same concept. I feel like the students get overloaded with papers. And I tried using Google Classroom this year, but some students still need it printed out for them to refer back to it. The digging, it's just been a nightmare. So this was a great opportunity to put everything in one spot. I'll be honest that the first time I took this calendar that the students already have printed out, but I decided to take the calendar and link to it, I was trying to link outside into another document. Worked perfect until I saved it, closed, and went to go back into it. Then I was not able to access the links. For example, I'm still struggling with one of my video links here. It keeps telling me that there's an issue. I have no idea why. When I go in and check the hyperlink and copy and paste it into the internet, it works. But really, that's the only one that's a dud right now. I then went back and I looked at the rubric and noticed that it said linking within, which is using bookmarks. So that was something in addition to the hyperlink that was kind of somewhat new. Well, that was absolutely new. The hyperlink I was a little familiar with. So I added all of my rubrics and then every single paper or PDF to the end of this. So it's several pages long. In fact, I think it's like 30 pages or 27 pages long. So what I did was I went in and I added my links. So I wanted to show you that you could simply click each of these and it will take you to the proper spot. I didn't figure out how to add a link to get you back to the home page. I just know you can press Function Alt and the up arrow and it takes you back to that original page. So maybe that's something that one of you watching this could share with me. What would be a great way when you use these links within the document to get the student or the user back to that original page? I would do this with a PowerPoint. If we were playing a game, I would make a home to go to, but I wasn't sure. So here's a sampling rubric that we have. And again, I would press Function Alt and then the up arrow. Here's my goldfish activity and the rubric that goes with that, as well as an example for the students to look at. And then we have a construction connection activity that they do and the rubric that goes with this. And I won't do this for every one of them, but I'll show you. You can see in the little text box right here, the little box that pops up, that each one of them has a lab or something that it's connected to, a bookmark, so that it will take you where you need to go within the document. So I'll just show you that they're all here. A few more to show you. This is an external one. I don't know why, but this one works for me, but it didn't work it when I was trying through the Blackboard. It linked to another document outside of this current document. And then here's a few more of my bookmarks and my hyperlinks in combination. So that is my example of my hyperlink assignment. All right, thanks. Can't wait to hear your feedback.